Hey everyone, let me ask you something strange for a moment. Imagine waking up one day, looking outside your window and seeing a giant red desert instead of Earth.
No oceans, no forests, no birds singing outside.
Just dust, silence, and an entirely different planet.
Because today we are talking about one of the biggest questions humans have ever asked.
Could humans actually live on Mars one day?
And while you listen today, just relax. Do not worry about speaking perfect English.
Maybe today you will learn one new word, one useful sentence, or one idea that changes how you see the future.
Because learning English becomes easier when curiosity leads the conversation.
Okay, Jake, serious question. Are scientists really trying to send humans to Mars?
Very seriously.
Which honestly feels unbelievable.
But humans have always been curious explorers.
Explorers meaning people who travel to discover new places?
Exactly.
Okay, but why Mars specifically?
Good question. Mars is one of the closest planets to Earth that might support future human life.
Support meaning help humans survive?
Correct.
Ah, okay.
Mars also has seasons, ice, and a day length somewhat similar to Earth.
Wait, Mars has ice?
Yes, scientists discovered frozen water near the poles of Mars.
Poles meaning the top and bottom parts of a planet?
Exactly.
Oh, wow, that already sounds less impossible.
But living there would still be extremely difficult.
Yeah, because Mars looks terrifying, honestly.
It is not exactly a relaxing vacation destination.
Definitely not.
The atmosphere on Mars is very thin.
Atmosphere?
Good question. Atmosphere means the layer of gases surrounding a planet.
Ah, okay.
Earth's atmosphere protects us and gives us oxygen to breathe.
But Mars doesn't.
Not enough for humans. People would need special suits and protected living spaces.
Which honestly sounds exhausting already.
Very exhausting. Even simple daily activities will become difficult.
Like what?
Walking outside, growing food, finding water, staying warm.
Wait, Mars is cold too?
Extremely cold.
Oh, wow. So basically Mars is trying to kill you constantly?
That is actually a surprisingly accurate summary.
Honestly terrifying.
There is also radiation.
Radiation sounds scary.
It is dangerous energy from space and the sun that can damage the human body over time.
Which honestly makes Earth suddenly feel very comfortable.
Exactly. People underestimate how perfectly Earth supports life.
Yeah, we complain about traffic and work stress while living on the most beautiful planet possible.
Humans are funny sometimes.
Okay, but if Mars is so dangerous, why do people still want to go there?
Because curiosity is deeply human.
Oh, wow.
Humans crossed oceans, climbed mountains, and explored dangerous places long before modern technology existed.
Which honestly is true. People always want to discover what's beyond the horizon.
Exactly. Exploration pushes humanity forward.
Forward meaning progress and development?
Perfect.
I'm learning science vocabulary now. But I also hear people say Mars could become a backup planet for humanity.
Yes, some scientists and companies believe humans should eventually live on multiple planets.
Multiple meaning more than one?
Exactly.
And why is that important?
Because disasters could happen on Earth someday. Climate problems, large asteroids, global conflicts.
Which honestly sounds scary.
It is a serious discussion among scientists.
So Mars becomes like an insurance plan for humanity?
In a way, yes.
Wow.
Companies like SpaceX are already building rockets designed for future Mars missions.
Oh yeah, Elon Musk talks about Mars constantly.
He definitely does.
But emotionally, I wonder how lonely Mars would feel.
Probably extremely lonely.
Imagine being millions of kilometers away from Earth.
Seeing your home planet only as a tiny light in the sky.
Oh, wow. That actually made me emotional for some reason.
Because Earth is deeply connected to human identity.
Identity meaning how we see ourselves and where we belong?
Exactly.
And Mars would completely change human life psychologically too, right?
Very much. Isolation, distance, and survival stress could affect mental health strongly.
Isolation means being separated and alone.
Perfect.
Honestly, astronauts already seem incredibly brave.
Extremely brave. Space travel is dangerous even today.
Okay, wait, how long would it even take to reach Mars?
Around 7 to 9 months, depending on the planet's positions.
9 months inside a spaceship?
Exactly.
Okay, I suddenly appreciate airplanes much more now.
Same, honestly.
And imagine not being able to return quickly.
That's another emotional challenge. Mars missions require enormous commitment.
Commitment meaning strong dedication to something.
Exactly.
So the first humans going to Mars might completely change history forever.
Absolutely. It would become one of humanity's greatest achievements.
Bigger than the moon landing?
Potentially even bigger, because humans would travel much further and possibly stay there long term.
Wow.
But there's also an important question people sometimes forget.
What question?
Before trying to escape Earth, maybe humanity should learn to protect Earth better first.
Oh, wow.
Because Earth is still the only planet where human life naturally exists.
Which honestly makes this conversation feel emotional suddenly.
Space often makes people appreciate Earth more deeply.
Yeah, because from space, there are no countries or borders visible.
Just one small blue planet carrying billions of human lives together.
Wow.
Okay, Jake, final question. Do you personally think humans will live on Mars one day?
I think humans will eventually reach Mars and probably build small colonies there.
Colonies? Small human communities living in a new place.
Ah, okay.
But even if humans reach Mars, Earth will probably always feel like home emotionally.
That's actually a beautiful thought.
All right, everybody. That's a wrap on today's episode. And remember, don't stress about perfect English.
Just keep listening consistently. One new word a day becomes powerful over time.
And maybe one day humans will really look at Earth from Mars.
Which honestly might be one of the most emotional moments in human history.
Wow. Perfect final line.
All right, everybody, take care of yourselves and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time, everybody.
Bye, everyone.